Hi guys, welcome to my live stream today. It's May 11, 2022 and it's now exactly 6:53 p.m. Philippine time. So let's start in the next few seconds. So hangga't maaari, what's this? Let's end this in less than 30 minutes. Grabe si Luna, no? Pambihira. Nakabili ako kahapon eh. Kahapon 25 dollars plus pa nga ako nakabili kahapon eh. And tapos ngayon, OMG. It's now currently trading at $2.15. So anyway, let's start. So what's this? Yeah. Currently, oh, the I think I did not stream over the previous days. I just forgot when was it. I think when we did our grocery, I think May 5. May 5 was I think my last stream or May 4. I forgot. But yeah, these are just a couple of what's this? A couple of trades that I have over that previous days. However, for the for the past few days, I think it's 9, 10, 11. What I use is the other exchange because um, as I've mentioned before, FTX I normally use it for altcoins, perpetual, but for Ethereum and the BTC and even Litecoin, I actually use BTC for that. So um, since Bitsy have no shareable PNL at the moment, so I'll just screenshot it. So yeah, just for BTC, it's mostly long. It's all long, but for what's this? This is Ethereum, but for Ethereum, I have a combination of longs and shorts. Yeah, I just closed it. I mean, the TP just got hit at 2,445 just a few seconds before I started this stream. But wait, I don't know if. Yeah, because I was looking at the 15 minutes and the last one was hit here. Because partially, when it hit here, the 2,445, I partially got hit. And then since it's just partial, the whole what's this? The whole size was actually done just a few seconds before I started this stream. And then BTC, I think what happened to that? I think 31,800 is my last TP, which is yeah around 6 o'clock. What was that? 18? I think 6 o'clock. No, yeah, 6 o'clock. So, na-close na lahat. Kasi scout lang kasi medyo ano kasi volatile ang market. So, I closed everything. So, hello. Hi. Grabe. And then, yeah, as to, what's this? As to spot trades, I think I did share in my channel that I have bought, what's this? I have bought Luna previous day. I thought it's already, wait, let me just share mine. I thought it's already a what's this head and shoulders, and I'm looking at the possible 22 what's this support area. But what had happened? Whoa! It's already currently trading at what's this 2.27. So yeah. So currently I'm at a loss. But luckily I bought it or I used the spot one, not the perpetual one. Because if this is a perpetual one, if I trade it on perpetual, then I should have had got stop out. Yeah, I shift the lattice token to this one because that it will recover from it. But anyways, that's just it. So normally when I do spot, which let me just go over it to this trading plan. Where what's that? Why is that there? Huh? Let me just delete it. I think I what's that? When I do spot, it's at least 1 year. It's my holding period. At least 1 year to 10 years or more, or even more actually. But since I just started, I think 2016, yeah, October 2016, so wala pa akong 10 years sa cryptocurrency. So yun lang masabi ko. And aside from that, as I bought it around, yeah, more than, it's I think around $25. I think it's around that one. I just forgot what's the. I think yesterday around. What's this? Yeah, I forgot where it was right there. Yeah, I can actually go back to my journal anyways. But yeah, I bought it yesterday, and I think around more than 22,000 to 22 dollars. I think it's around more than $25. But anyways, so yun lang masasabi ko. So tignan nyo naman, no, it's RSI is already at 14 na. Wait, and yeah, also let's also look at USD. It's stable coin, but I don't think it's stable as it claims to be. So that's why I opened this spreadsheet, because I don't want to settle anymore in stable coin, because I think stable coin might not necessarily be stable. I just rather, what's this, settle it in fiat already. I need to adjust it. um May 5, May 11, sorry, May 11. Should be USD 75 USD in fiat. Yeah, because yeah, you could, why I adjust that, from 50/50 April to April 11, 75% fiat and 25% as this crypto, non-stable coin. Crypto, non-stable coin. Adjusted. Kasi, di ba, hindi na siya stable eh. Like for example, this one, di ba? Though I don't have USD in my portfolio, it's just that what if it might also happen to other stable coins. So that's why I change my settlement. Even this one, actually settled the BTC and Ethereum perpetual actually already in US dollar. No, not longer it, not in USD already. Because yeah, stable coin might also perform very crazy, diba? I think let's learn from it. Sometimes the financial market is really performing this much. I think the crazy one that I first encounter is the US oil, right? I think it's 2021 if I'm not mistaken, because that's the time also when I started trading US oil when it hit, was this the negative one, right? The negative, no. Come to think of it. So yeah, let's see. So this one, RSI is already at 5.94. My take here is that since it's a stable coin, as they say it is, I think over a medium term, I think it will possibly be back to $1. However, when, well, I also don't know when, but I think it will go back to that eventually. Comparing it to what's this? The other one, um, um, Luna. Kasi 'di ba binili ko, what I bought yesterday is what? This one, the Luna. See? Whoa. And it's already, the point of control is at this one, 2.30. No, it's 0.27. I have 2.76. So it's almost there already. So, akalain mo kung nakabili ka dito, grabe talaga. It's just a few days, no? There, they said there's a recovery plan that they planning, but yeah. Anyway, let's just see if the if this might recover. But I think it will recover eventually. So, anyways, I did share mine already. So, currently I'm at a loss, ha? I'm at a loss at I bought it at 25, more than $25. So, dito ako nakapasok. Saan ba dito? Kasi ito yung ano na. Ito, bago ako dyan. Kasi 22 yung tinitignan ko kasi na support area. And I bought it before the $22. So, there. Anyway, let's see. Kasi kahit sa closing kahapon, mababa na din, no? Let's just see. So, I think it's already too much, you know? It can still go, go, go lower. But if you try to, though it's risky, I think. Anyway, crypto is actually risky naman, di ba? Riskier than other financial assets. But, syempre, if you try to, gauge the possible risks and the rewards, I think the reward might be better, better in my opinion. Anyway, so and just invest what you can afford to lose, in my opinion. I mean, of course, just invest what you can afford to lose. So anyway, that's it. So not all stable coins are stable. So I hope this will be a lesson for us. Though I don't hold it. So ano pa bang pwede nating tignan? Grabe talaga, no? Ang kulit lang eh. Oh, at least bumaba na si ano. 15 minutes kasi when I do scalp, normally I use 15 minutes time frame. So, diba? Okay na din yan. Na-close ko naman na lahat eh. So, iniisip ko ngayon kung ano nang iti-trade ko. Siguro bukas na lang because it's really volatile din eh. Talaga, over the previous days. Grabe oh, puro red. What else can I say? BTC, I mean. Yeah, let's just go over BTC. So consider the stable coin in your plans, 'di ba? So talagang crazy talaga tong market, ang financial market, no. Sometimes it performs or you might experience the unexpected. So anyways, most of my transactions here are actually longs as I mentioned a while ago, no. Based on my personal trades. Did I trade it yesterday? Yeah, just try to check on it. Yeah, I forgot if I traded yesterday. Oh, I started trading at 9. Here. Anyways. Kasi I'm looking at it as a possible support because it went as low as 29 right there. Almost 29. But anyway, I just trade what's this? Scalp lang naman ako eh. I just did the scalp trades, some scalp trades. Why scalp? Yeah, because the trend's still a downtrend. Though, even if on that downtrend, you can actually spot some recoveries or some possible bounce. Diba? Yun naman lahat is puro. No? And what I trade is just the bounce. So if you try to look at it, yeah, it breaks this previous downtrend. However, on this medium term uptrend, you can see that it also break it down, and it's really trying hard to already break this resistance trend and this one. So technically, I'm actually bearish on it, though we can possibly experience some bounce. And what I just trade over the past few days is just the bounce. So I think it could bounce within the range, within this range. What's this? It possibly bounce within the range. But of course, if I really want to hold it, I will wait for a breakdown of this downtrend. Sorry. Siyempre 'di ba, ano pa rin kasi, majority kasi it's still what's this? It's still bearish, in my opinion. But on that bearish side, we can still see some bounce. So I think that was just it. That was just it. I'm looking at possible resistance around this area, around this, what's this? Around this resistance trend line, more or less depende kasi kung saan siya mag-retest eh. But more or less, mga 36 to $37. That's the immediate resistance I'm looking at, which is at least these areas. So yun, immediate resistance. Pag nag-resist ulit siya dito, like what happened here, then expect a possible lower low again, no? So anyway, let's see kung ano, sorry. Kung ano mangyayari sa BTC for now. Though, did I buy some spot BTC? No. I don't buy spot. Hmm. So yun lang. Spot, yeah, I forgot to mention pala. I buy also some Pandora last 2 days, ano. It's a spot and I plan to hold it for quite some time. So yun lang masasabi ko dito sa BTC. Kasi, yeah, pag nag-breakdown pa siya dito sa 29, expect mo yung previous previous high, which is the 20, di ba? 20 dati. I think this is 2017, 2018, di ba? So, yun. So, medyo ano pa siya, no? But anyway, let's see kung mag-ano siya. For me, it might possibly a bounce. Bounce lang, bounce lang. Ang kulit lang eh. So, tingnan na lang natin if it breaks the 37. Well, since break it, then at least it's already a new trend. And that will be possible bullish side on me. Immediate bullish side. But for now, bearish pa din ako. Though we might experience some bounce. Like for example, this one. So anyway, let's see. Let's see na lang. So, since the market is really volatile, so ano na lang, possible option yan, di ba? Option 1 or what's this? An option to this area. So, yun. So, depende kung saan siya dyan. So, always put a stop loss, especially when you're trading perpetual contracts or futures. Yun lang masasabi ko. So, knockout naman na ako. So, yeah, bukas na lang ulit. So, next, grabe si Luna, 1.63. OMG, what's happening to Luna? So, I'm also at a loss for Luna. Of course, that's the reality kasi bumili ako, di ba? Ang kulit lang eh. So, for Ethereum, yeah, as what I've shared a while ago, it's actually a combination of longs and shorts. And I'm already out at 2,445. That's actually almost close to the previous high yesterday, which is this. Kasi nga, 15 minutes time frame ang ginamit ko for trading this Ethereum Perpetual. So, ngayon, halos ano din, di ba? Halos ganun din siya kay BTC eh. Di ba? Pareho naman silang halos lahat naman, di ba? Nag-breakdown, di ba? So, syempre dito, ano pa din ako. Um, Majority bearish ako. But on that bearish or downside, posibleng magkaroon ng bounce. Like for example, this past 2 days, wherein I also did trade some longs, diba? Longs and shorts sa combination. So, and yeah, there is it. Yeah, we forgot to spot this one, I think. That's a doji. So, let's see. The immediate resistance I'm looking at is, of course, this trend line resistance, or more or less, depending on the date. So, I think more or less 2.8. 2.8 is the immediate resistance I'm looking at. Maybe let's try to use, what's this? This one, horizontal ray. So more or less, that's it, no? Immediate resistance, or on conservative note, we'll just use around that 27 area. And then support at 2,200 area. Breakdown to that, I think it's 1.8 already. 1.8 to, no? Yeah. Which is the strong resistance. I mean support I'm looking at. Sorry. So, ganun na lang. So, depende sa plano nyo and the time frame that you are using when you're trading a certain asset. So, like for example, this one, yeah, I think I'm still possibly bullish. Possibly bullish. Short-term bullish, no? Kasi posible siyang mag-bounce to that 2.8 area. But of course, I will um, turn bullish if it breaks this downtrend and create, or at least trade within this previous support area, or now the resistance area. So, ito yung point na tinitignan ko. So, this is the point, more or less, for me to turn bullish na. But anyway, you can also trade the bounce, diba? Just be careful and yeah, always put a stop loss. So, at least medyo nakasabay din ako sa bounce, ano? But anyway, so let's see how it goes. It's either 2.8 or the possible 2.2. So, option 1 dyan, diba? Oh, balik na siya dito sa uptrend. Or, oh, diba? So, anyway, let's see. Let's see na lang. Whoa! What has happened to Luna? Is there any more news? If you have some news, then please let us know. I think this is the most craziest crypto I've been I've watched. Just take a look at it. So where is that backup plan they're saying? So where's the social media? Um well, the fundamental is still there. It's just that hmm, sige. Oh, there was I think this was yesterday. A few hours pala, a few hours. So, let's just wait for that recovery plan. So, anyways, at the moment, yeah, investors are really going crazy about it. I think it's already too painful for them. But yeah, actually, I almost even lost now already. But yeah, I'm looking at it over a year, over a year, or for to reach my target, whichever comes first. Anyway, let me just share my targets here. My target is actually here, the $75, which I already posted it since this is a spot. The one that I trade is the spot one. So that's my target at $75. So anyway, tingnan na lang natin. Target is $75. So, or at least at this point here. So, bago siya mag, 'di ba? Nag-breakdown kasi siya diyan, 'di ba? So, yan yung target ko. So, anyway, let's see. So, swerte nyo pa rin kapag nakabili kayo dito, 'di ba? Maybe when it go 2 cents, then maybe I possibly add some, 'di ba? Ang kulit lang eh. Sa ano ko nga eh, when I do mine, which is I think above this one. I bought it around this one eh. Around 20 plus eh. So more or less, yeah, syempre ako on my possible at least 200 times ay 200% or times 2 of my invested investments. Pero if from here, kung sakali mag-average ako, well, from more or less at least above this point of control ang gagamitin ko. So more or less, 'di ba? Possible close to 8 times, no? Or 800%. Anyway, let's see. I think the key thing here is that it's for them to announce that whatsoever the recovery plan they're planning to implement. But anyway, it's too risky, so it's too risky. Risky ba boy? Ang kulit lang eh. Kasi akala ko anyway, just invest what you can afford to lose on this. But I think it will possibly be get that back. Even that US, check na lang natin, di ba? Mas hurtful dito eh. Kasi you're already saying that it's stable, but it's not necessarily stable. So, yeah, I think you should also consider this in your plan. That's why I don't want to settle anymore in whatever they call a stable coin because based on this one, it's not necessarily stable, even if they're pegged to a dollar. So anyways, ano pa bang pwede nating tignan? So I think just the bottom line here, si Luna talaga and then a few alts. A few alts, si Ethereum and BTC lang. In my opinion. Ano pa bang mga crazy mga trending or on the spotlight? O diba? Silang dalawa lang naman, diba? Kasi I think kasi medyo crazy talaga eh. Unexpected din talaga. Especially for this one. Si stable coin. So I think there should be a right term for it. It's no longer stable coin. 'Di ba? Paano ba yung parang 50-50, 50-50 lang, 'di ba? Anyways, pa bang pwede nating tignan? Normally I settle it in USDT, but yeah, I don't know if this is also as stable as it claims to be. Diba? That's why over the succeeding trades that I will have, I will settle it all in USD. So I think that's just better than to settle it in a stable coin. Because even if it's stable, coin that they are saying might not be stable. Because based on this actual uh, actually currently happening right now. So, syempre yung mga ganon, kailangan we should adjust our trading plan. Diba? So, anyways, yun lang. Masasabi ko, do you have more questions? If not, then I might end this stream. Kasi wala din naman masyado eh. Even si Step and si, ano pa ba yung mga favorite ko. Bakit ko ba inano? Kasi nga tinitingnan ko sila, di ba? So, kahit ito, di ba? OMG. OMG. It's just, so, So, kailangan i-consider nyo din siya in making your plans. Kasi kailangan may parang short-term ka and then may long-term plans ka din. And for me, short-term talaga is perpetual. And then long-term is yung mga spot or yung mga holdings ko. And yeah, even if some of my holdings, I added here, I think 2 days ago. But currently, it's also down. Because I think it's, and then the rest, yeah, the rest so far, even this one, no, I actually gain it from what's that? From perpetual trades, and it's already currently at 45 cents FTM. So wala talagang ano din, no? Halos lahat. So anyways, kahit si XRP din eh. Medyo ano din. So there is actually sometimes some disappointing trades, but I think over the long term, if you cannot hold, then might not be good for you. Sorry, joke, just kidding. Yeah, sometimes we just need to hold, and sometimes, yeah, we just need to sell it off. So, yeah, it really depends on your plans din. Kasi, syempre, we have different objectives and different plans. And, yeah, I already have mine. So, ganun na lang. Yeah, I'm planning to dispose of PSA stock market. But I haven't disposed it yet. Maybe in the next few months when it recover a bit, and then I'll put it back here in crypto. So that's my plan. Then once I sold it, to back to crypto. Yeah, because the capital that I use here is actually from cryptocurrencies. So yun, fully ano na ako, no? Kasi over the long term kasi, yun ang, as what I've mentioned, the capitalization of the whole stock market will become the future capitalization of the cryptocurrency. So currently, right now, nasa ano lang tayo eh. What's that? 160, no, 1.4 trillion dollars, and the stock market is, I think, more than 110 trillion dollars. However, it depends now, because it's already down. So at least ganun. So siguro I'm still looking at possible 100 times overall, no? If ever. So more on long term din naman ako sa cryptocurrencies. So anyways, if you have some questions, then feel free to ask. Else, I'm gonna end this thing kasi wala na din ako share eh. Bantay-bantay na lang tayo sa kung anong mangyayari dito sa Luna, and yeah, just check them out on their, what's this? On their social medias once they post the whatever that recovery plan they're planning to. So, di pa rin nag-stop, ano? Pambihira. But I don't know. But I think at this point, medyo ano na din, di ba? There's still risk, but I think it's less risk na versus this one, no? Versus the one when I bought it. So, which is above $22. So, anyway, once it go to lower pa, maybe when it trades at $1 or low, then maybe I'll plan to add some. If not, then I'll just wait at 22 or $25 plus na entry price ko. So yun lang masasabi ko, and almost all exchanges ata sinuspend yung deposit and withdrawals na ito. So yun lang, wala akong masabi masyado kasi 'di ba? Pag bear talaga, bear talaga. But if you still can make a few gains from this market, then it's actually good for you. Good. Oh. It's checking everything, no? Lahat pala, no? Kala ko hindi niya ano. Ako nga lugi na din ako sa Luna eh, pambihira talaga, no? Kaya tignan mo naman, this is already the lowest RSI. Akala mo oversold na, no? Ay, meron pa palang ibababa. So, ganun talaga sa market. No one knows what might happen. So yeah, just always trade whatever on that plan of yours. May nag-share pala dun sa ano, no? So I think yun lang guys. That's it. It's already almost 7:30. Lang masabi but yeah, almost yun lang, no? It's just Luna, hashtag what do we discuss, hashtag Luna, hashtag USD, yes, hashtag BTC, and of course my Ethereum. Yeah. All closed. Hala, grabe naman, no? Kailan ba mag-stop to si, si Luna? Pambihira. Nilugi-lugi pa ako. Ang kulit lang. Sana in-stay ko na lang din sa Silatis. Anyways, ganun talaga. Just laugh at it and just laugh at it. Hindi, relax lang. Babalik din naman siya, in my opinion. Kasi fundamentally, there's nothing change. It's just that investors really heavily sell it off. So, economics still there, but demand, by, demand and supply, di ba? So much, so crazy talaga, pambira. Wait, let's try to look at the, what's that? Yeah, let me just check on the total cap. Where is it going? This one. Breakdown. Okay. Yeah, I haven't seen it for quite some time. So it's already a breakdown. So possible retest to this one. Oh. So this is the total crypto market cap, $1.15 trillion. So the immediate support area. So I hope it hold on that. So this is already natanggal na siya kasi it's a breakdown from that area. So I think that's it. So sana naman mag-hold siya. Sorry. And this is the previous, ano ba to? 2018. So that's also the previous set. So I hope it's gonna hold at $1.15 trillion, ano? So anong BTC market cap nun? And I think let's just monitor it a bit, though there's a possible bullish divergence that might be happening. Diba? However, it needs at least three, no? At least three possible bullish candles for it to confirm. But so far, it's already at oversold. Oversold na. Oversold kaso di mo lang alam kung talagang oversold na yun or kung maididip pa siya, di ba? Yun lang ang di natin alam. So, I think that's it. Bye, guys. Bye, guys, and happy trading, everyone. Happy trading pa din, even if you're losing. Actually, you're not the only one losing. Even me, I'm actually losing at Calduna. Yeah, I entered too early though. Early though. But yeah, I'll just wait for it. I think within 1 year or so, maybe I think it will be back. That's just in my opinion. Bye guys and happy trading everyone. Disclaimer, trading and investing have risks, so always do your own research and trade cautiously. So magandang gabi sa lahat and happy trading everyone. Bye guys!